Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's quickly see what's going on with Bitcoin. At the moment it is up 4.5%, so it's looking good. And now if you look at this pattern over here, so we had this big resistance coming from this. If you've been watching these YouTube Bitcoin videos, they had this symmetrical triangle in place. And you can clearly see what happened to this resistance over here that we had from these resistance area, okay? We have clearly broken out of it, okay? And this is in my viewpoint, it's a pretty bullish indicator by this candle. And if we can close this candle above this line of resistance and just hold as support for the weekly time frame, this is going to indicate that we are only going towards the upside, okay? Now, if you take another line, and I'm going to show you where the resistance is, which if we get by or get through that, this area over here, okay, this is a solid resistance line. Now I can show you clearly why is that right over here. Support, 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 resistance, support, support, resistance, resistance, resistance. Now this is where things can, maybe if we break through this area, it might, if we get over it and hold this as support, that is another very good indicator that movement can be towards the upside. Okay, now I will show you something that, now we did break this resistance line, so let's take that off. And if you go to the monthly time frame, look at this beautiful candle that's, this candle over here. It went all the way down to 36, about 37,000. And look at this accumulation that's been, come around in this area. And look at the, candle being filled over here. Look at this over here. It's a pretty similar situation that we are witnessing. And then we had this solid green candle towards the upside. Okay, now if you go to the weekly time frame again and you just look at this pattern over here, I have already told you about this beautiful ascending triangle formation. Okay, this ascending triangle formation, and this is a bullish pattern overall because I've seen a couple of videos and a couple of YouTubers were saying that this is a downtrend, which I didn't see this as a, I mean, it could still be. I mean, crypto is very volatile, so I mean, they were, you know, just, analyzing the price might go towards the downside. But now, since this resistance has been broken, I mean, things are looking a bit different, okay? It is taking a shape of this ascending triangle, which is a reversal pattern, okay? Now, if you look at this pattern, okay, and you, measure this move, okay? This move over here from the top to the bottom, and you just place it wherever that breakout is going to be, this being the main resistance line, okay? And if we break out from here, you can clearly see the price target is going to be exactly where this white line is. And what is this white line? I've been explaining this in my previous videos, and you can see that this white line, if you go in the monthly time frame, this is the white line, and I've explained you this. I mean, whenever Bitcoin comes to the support line, it tries to hold the support line, and this is the channel it's creating in a larger time frame. And you can see that whenever we come and hit this white line, we get rejected, 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 and eventually once we break it, we go and hit this resistance line. I mean, this move over here is a parabolic move. So whenever you see this kind of move, the price will come back, maybe, until unless it creates a different channel like that, okay? So I'm not going to talk about this because this is something different. But yeah, whenever the price gets above the white line, the 50%, resistance support line, it always comes back and tries to hold it. When it fails, it comes to the support line, okay? So you can see over here clearly whenever that, you can see it better in the weekly time frame. Yeah, whenever this resistance line is going to get broken, this price target is coming exactly to this white line, which is the 50% support resistance line. And it makes perfect sense now that it is creating this ascending triangle. Now, even if things get ugly and let's say the price, people start selling or some crazy news comes out and you know bearish sentiments takes place, then you could just bring this and bring it towards the downside wherever that breakout is going to be, and you can see the price is coming to this level over here where this candle sits at. Okay, and this is basically the previous low where the accumulation was done in this area. So either or, but things are looking bullish at the moment. Okay, and if you go and look at um, the what's it called, the EMAs, okay, you can see where the 100 moving averages, the um, green line is the 55 moving average. You can see we are trying to get above these moving averages, and this is a good sign. If we can just get above all of them, even the 20 moving average, and you can clearly see where the 20 moving average is exactly at this resistance line. Okay, so we get over the 20 moving average, hey, it's gone bullish. Okay, let me just put it this way. And now if you come to the RSI, okay, you can see the RSI. Let's take a look. The RSI. We have this resistance line. Okay. Now you can see the price goes up. Here's the resistance, comes down. Goes up, comes down. Now it is trying to get up to this resistance, okay, in the RSI as well. So if we say the RSI can get up to and hit this resistance, obviously we will eventually break this and get above it, okay, and then probably bulls are gonna step in and try to break this resistance as well. So I mean, anything is possible, but at the moment things are looking extremely good to me. And if this candle closes green and breaks this resistance and the 20 moving average, you're gonna move all the way up to let's say about 53,000 to 54,000. That's gonna be your level, and you can clearly see I've told you this before in the monthly time frame, because the larger time frame is where you get the real picture for Bitcoin. You can see that the 20 moving average is below the price and it's looking bullish in the monthly time frame. I'm gonna still keep on saying that because you can see how beautifully this pattern is portraying the picture for Bitcoin. Okay, and hopefully this brought you some insights for Bitcoin. And if you like this kind of content, simple and easy, just hit the like button. Your likes are telling me you want more of this content coming out, so hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.